Angelo Antonio at Risa, huwag niyong kalilimutan na ang inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa sa mga susunod na mga panahon ay magiging salamin kung paano nagmahalan ang Diyos at ang tao, kung paano minahal ng Diyos ang tao ang sanlibutan. Kayo ang magpapakita sa daigdig na ganito ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa sanlibutan.
Sabi nga sa lyrics ng isang kanta na madalas kong pinapakinggan, this is it, this is now, it's what we've been talking about. Looking out, I can see forever. So take my hand, just take it in. This is a moment when we won't forget. Surrounded by our family and our friends, this is it.
This is it, this is now, this is what I've been talking about. Looking out, can't you see forever?
Today, it's just like an ordinary day. And last year, tinanong akong tatay mo, di ba? Kung kailan tayo magpapakasal, and I'm just stuck. Hindi ako makasagot. Pero ngayon, I'm so happy to able to tell you before God at sa family natin ang pagmamahalan natin sa isa't isa. Ang exciting dito, we're making promises to love each other for the rest of our lives.
This is it.
Tasahan mong simula ngayon, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Palagi mo na akong kasama sa ayaw at sa gusto mo. Ako ang magiging ilaw mo sa anumang landas na iyong tatahakin at tagakwenta sa lahat ng mga gastusin. May personal accountant ka na. Ikaw naman na magiging haligi at sandalan ko sa mga oras na pinanghihinaan ako ng loob. At ikaw din na magpapatibay ng pundasyon sa bubuuin nating pamilya.
This is it, this is now, this is what I've been talking about. Looking out, can't you see forever? Take my hand, just take it in. This is a moment we won't forget. On top of...
So Risa, Montesilio Murillo, ito ang pangako sa iyo. I promise to say I love you before I walk out the door. I promise to encourage your compassion because that is what you make you unique and wonderful. I promise to always to laugh with you and never go to bed angry. I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow and pick you up when seems far gone. I promise to work hard not just because you deserve it but we deserve it.
Ang totoong pag-ibig ay tapat at ang tapat na pag-ibig ay totoo. Be faithful.
So take my hand, just take it in. This is a moment we won't forget. On top of the world, here together. Surrounded by our family.
Promise ko rin na pwede mo na ayusin ang aking gamit. Basta una itatapon. Pinapromise ko din na lahat ng akin ay iyo except ng aking ATM. Joke lang.
May friend kami, common friend. Abay siya, si Michelle.
Yung klase niya kasi office mate ko eh. Abay siya ngayon.
Siya yung nagpakilala sa amin. Single ako that time.
Through chat, tapos nung kami nagkaano na puro date, kami labas hanggang ano.
Cause I don't need the sunlight shining on my face, and I don't need
Opposite attracts. So parang mayroon akong mga bagay na gustong gawin. Siguro na-excite siya, na i-try. Gaya nung nag-zipline kami sa Bohol.
Ayos naman, talagang kinakabahan lang. Akala ko katapos ako na. Ayaw ko talaga, ako kasi malula nahiya ako nung matataas sa lugar.
So ako, excited ako mag-zipline. Tapos pagtingin ko sa kanya, kinakabahan siya. Yung pala, may fear of heights siya. Pero ginawa niya sa akin. Abby, Jade, Crystal, ipakita niyo yung laman. May name yan. Pang Sharon ka? Pang Sharon. May kasama pa yan. Thank you!
Mayaman, big time.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
O ito, siya pa rin tumayaman, busing. Jobe, Robin Padilla.
Oh my goodness.
I just wanna see you happy, a smile on your face. Nothing else matters, 'cause you're everything to me.
Wow! Hindi naman ang bigat!
To my sir engineer, our wedding will not be complete without her. At sobrang magpapasalamat ako sa kanya kasi she brought you into this world. Oh, I hope you like my simple gift. See you later. I love you, babe. From your accountant.
Unang hawakan mo! Di tayo kagaya.
Unang yung flower para
Marrying you means marrying my best friend. Wow! Sabi sa'yo self-explanatory ang gift ko Hindi ko pa naman alam kanya. Dahil mahilig kang mag-travel, itong gift ko sa'yo ay isang way ng journey natin together. I love you, babe. It means romance and excitement, a world of fun and adventure, a chance to grow and explore together, side by side, you and me. Marrying you, this is the best decision I've ever made. Talaga? Thank you, thank you. See you later.
Nothing else matters, no, nothing else matters, 'cause I don't need the sunlight shining on my face, and I don't need perfection to have the perfect day. Just wanna see you.
Maraming salamat dahil sa mundong punong-puno ng ingay at gulo. Sa'yo ko natagpuan ang katahimikan. At sa mga oras at panahon na nakakaramdam ako ng sobrang pagod, ikaw ang aking pahinga. You are a constant reminder that God loves me because He sent an angel by my side. And it's you, my Angelo. So my love, fasten your seatbelt and let's travel this married life together. I